Good morning, my name is Troy Allgood with Allgood Electric in San Antonio, and today I wanted to explain to you why we use a meg tester, meg ohm tester, some people call it, after someone has had a lightning strike. Or sometimes we'll use it whenever someone's having nuisance tripping with an AFCI. Okay, a meg tester, meg ohm tester, is a tester that puts high voltage through the system, and it'll detect faults in the wire that would otherwise not be seen. And right now I have this mega ohm tester connected to like a 25-foot piece of wire, which might be like a piece of wire that's in your house. It's Romex NM cable. On the other end I have the wires, and they're just barely separated. Hopefully you can see that. And I have this glass of water. Okay, you go to the other end and you run the test. Hopefully you can see it. It's sending a lot of current through voltage through the system right now. It reads OL. That's a condition we call infinity. It means it's a good circuit. It means it's an open circuit. It means there's no breakdown in the insulation anywhere that would cause you to have problems with the system. Okay, I have another tool here that is a voltage tester ohm meter, and it's currently set for a state called continuity, meaning that if you touch the two wires together, you're going to get, it's going to beep. So I'm not sure I can do this with, while I have you on the phone here, while I have you on the recording, to see it makes a beep there whenever you touch these two wires together. Okay, you can put it on the wires that I have separated here, means no problem. Put it on these wires here. No continuity. But if I go to the other end and I put just a droplet of water on here, the water is touching the two pieces of wire together. Go to the other end where I have this ohm meter. This is what some people will want to use in a house. And even if you had a droplet of water touching your wires together, this continuity tester wouldn't read it. Now, interestingly, if you turn it to ohms, it's reading some ohms. It's reading 149 ohms. Not sure if you can see that, 152. But if I put the meg tester on it, oh, sorry about the plane. And then I run the test with the meg tester, it fails. The circuit fails because of that droplet of water. Now you can imagine, I don't guess you're usually going to have a droplet of water connecting your wires in your house. Maybe you would, but you could imagine a piece of dust in your outlets or something like that that could be causing your AFCIs to nuisance trip. And that's why this tool can find problems that other tool, the tool that a lot of people will use, just cannot find. And that's why we use it in our business. So if you're in San Antonio and you have an issue where you've had a lightning strike, a lot of stuff is blown out in your house, and you want to feel safe with having your house checked out to be sure that the wires are not damaged inside your walls, because this tool will find it. If you have damage to your wires inside the walls, this tool can find it. Give us a call. Troy Allgood with Allgood Electric in San Antonio. Thank you.